Welcome to TMC virtual class. Student, I will take today mathematics part 1 chapter quadratic equation. In last class student we can solve any quadratic equation by formula method. So today we can finish a very important part of this lesson, that how can we form any quadratic equation, then we can find the value of discriminant. So let's start. Suppose you already know that any quadratic equation, the standard form is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And I already told you that whenever the index is 2, so always there is two roots. So we take, if alpha and beta are two roots of quadratic equation. Always there is two value whenever we solve any quadratic equation, either formula method or completing square method or factorization method. So that time we always getting the two value. So we can take alpha and beta are the two roots of the quadratic equation. So that time we know the formulas, that x equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac upon 2. Correct? So this is a formula. So one time we can take plus for alpha and minus for beta. So we can write in this way also, alpha equal to minus b. So for plus we can take alpha, so minus b plus square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So this content is very important, ये आपको याद रखना है. So alpha is minus b plus square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Similarly, beta will become minus, so we can take beta equal to minus b minus square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So alpha and beta. Suppose if you want to find, the next part is alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta will become minus b upon a. So this is a formula you have to remember. Alpha plus beta equal to minus b upon a. Similarly, the product of these two quadratic equations, that is alpha into beta equal to c upon a. So this part you have to remember if you want to solve practice set 2.5. So this is very important. So first part is any quadratic equation having the two roots, one is alpha and second one is beta. So this is a formula, x equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So for first root, that is alpha, we can take plus, for beta we can take minus. When you add this alpha and beta, two roots, that time you will get minus b upon a, and their product alpha into beta is c upon a. So this is very important. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take. Then we can proceed next part. Yes. Next part is also very important, student. Nature of the roots. So what is the nature of the roots? Suppose nature of the roots depends upon the value of b square minus 4ac. So we know that quadratic equation is always in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Correct. So this depends upon the value of, that is b square minus 4ac. Always depend upon this thing, b square minus 4ac. Hence this b square minus 4ac is also called discriminant. This is also called discriminant. So this is very important, and remember that this discriminant also represented by Greek letter. That is also simple form. You can say discriminant is represented by Greek letter, that is known as delta. So remember the three conditions. In exam they will ask, find the value of quadratic equation and you have to decide the nature of the roots. So nature of the roots having a three important condition you have to remember. If the first one, this one is very important, student, ये आपको याद रखना है. b square minus 4ac is also called del, discriminant. And जब भी आप इसका वैल्यू फाइंड करते हो, there are three conditions. First, if del equal to 0, अगर इसका वैल्यू आपको 0 आता है, that time we can say that the roots of the quadratic equation are real and equal. The roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. Similarly, if we find second condition is del is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means always positive. So that time the roots of the quadratic equation real and unequal. The roots are real and unequal. So whenever you find the value of b square minus 4ac, if the value of discriminant del is greater than 0, means positive, that time we can write the given roots are real and unequal. Real and unequal. And third condition is if less than 0 means in negative, that time we can write the roots are not real. So we can write the roots are not real. The roots are not real. So this is very important. You have to remember, in exam they will ask determine the nature of the roots. So first step we have to find the value of a, b, c by comparing the standard equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then we can find the value of discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. So always there is three options, three conditions. First, if the value of del is 0, so that time we can write the roots are real and equal. If greater than 0 means in positive, that time we can write the roots are real and unequal. And third, less than 0 means in negative, that time we can write the roots are not real. So this is very important. In examination they will ask decide the nature of roots. So you can find this method. So this is also important. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take. Then we can proceed next part. Okay. And last part of this practice set is student. They will give you the alpha and beta, means roots of the equation. They will provide, and you have to form the quadratic equation. So what is the formula? So that is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta equal to 0. So this is the formula. We can remember this thing. So x square, suppose alpha and beta is given. Alpha is suppose 4, beta is 5. Suppose this one is given, roots of the equation. Or they will also, they will provide you either 0, 4. So first one is your alpha, second one is your beta. And that time we have to form the quadratic equation. So first one is we can find alpha plus beta. So first step you can find alpha plus beta in this part. Second, we also require alpha into beta. So second we can find alpha into beta. And this thing we can put in this way equation, that is x square minus alpha plus beta from this into x plus alpha into beta equal to 0. So depending upon this type we can solve the practice set 2.5. that this one is very important. Let's start. ये आपका इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट था, ये आपको याद रखना है. That is very important. If you remember this thing, that time you can apply in practice set 2.5. So student, in practice set 2.5, first one is given in activity based question. Fill in the gaps and complete. Ax square plus bx quadratic equation is given, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And that time there are two things. This one is given in this way: b square minus 4ac equal to 5 and b square minus 4ac equal to minus 5. And we have to find the nature of the roots. So what is the nature of the roots? Student, nature of the roots we have to find. Nature of roots. This one and this one. We have to find the nature of roots. So student, you can see here simply, if b square minus 4ac is 5, so greater than 0. So if the greater than 0, so we can write the real and unequal. The roots are, we can write the roots are real and unequal. Remember that condition, the second condition, del is greater than 0. So whenever greater than 0, so that time second condition, then the roots of the quadratic equation are real and unequal. Similarly, the second part, that is less than 0, in negative, that time we can write the roots are not real. The roots are not real because del is less than 0. So whenever del is less than 0 means in negative, that time we can write the roots are not real. So this is very simple. This is activity based question. Then second question is given, sum of the roots is given and their product is given, and we have to form the quadratic equation. Second activity based question. It is given that sum of roots. Sum of roots means what? Sum of roots. So there are two roots, that is alpha plus beta is given, that is minus 7. So alpha plus beta is given minus 7. Similarly, we have to form quadratic equation and their product. So product of roots means alpha into beta is given. Alpha into beta is given 5. So product of roots is given, and we have to form quadratic equation. So student, remember that the simple formula, x square minus bracket alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta equal to 0. The last part. So product is given, alpha into beta is given, and their sum means alpha plus beta is given, and we have to form quadratic equation. So whenever roots are given in form of alpha and beta, so their alpha plus beta is given minus 7. So in place of alpha plus beta we can put minus 7, and their product means alpha into beta is given 5. So in place of alpha into beta we can put 5. Let's start. X square minus alpha plus beta is given minus 7 into x plus alpha into beta is 5 equal to 0. So x square minus into minus, student, always plus. So plus 7 into x, 7x plus 5 equal to 0. So this is quadratic equation. So very simple, we can solve this way, activity based second sum. So this is also very simple. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take. Then we can proceed the next part. Next part is, student, again it is given that if alpha and beta roots of the quadratic equation, and it is given that third activity based question, 2x square minus 4x minus 3 equal to 0. It is given, and we have to find alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. This is again activity based question. So alpha plus beta and alpha into beta we have to find. So student, we can solve this sum by simple way. So quadratic equation is given. So alpha plus beta and alpha into beta we have to find. So first start with comparing with. We can find comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Because we have to find alpha plus beta, and we know that alpha plus beta is minus b upon a, and alpha into beta is c upon a. So we require a, b, c. So we can compare the standard equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So value of a is 2, b is minus 4, and c is minus 3. So a is given, b is given, and c is given. Now we have to find the value of alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta is minus b upon a. Simple. Minus b upon a. So minus b. So what is value of minus? What is value of b? That is minus 4, and minus. So minus in bracket we can write minus 4 upon A is 2. So minus into minus become plus. So 4 upon 2, answer is 2. 2 2 ja 4. So answer is 2. So alpha plus beta is 2. So we can write here alpha plus beta is 2. Similarly, alpha into beta, we have to find alpha into beta. Alpha. So what is the alpha into beta? That is C upon A. C upon A. So what is the value of C here? C is given minus 3 upon A. A is given 2. So minus 3 upon 2. So alpha into beta is minus 3 upon 2. Minus 3 upon 2. So this way we can solve, that is activity based question from practice set 2.5. This one is very important, very simple. So you can solve a simple thing, alpha plus beta, alpha into beta, standard form, that is x square minus bracket alpha plus beta into x, and then alpha into beta equal to 0. So simple thing, you have to remember the method, and that time you can apply in practice set 2.5. So let's start the next sum. Student, it is given, find the value of discriminant. Remember that the first part we discussed that what is the discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac, and which can be represented by letter del. So the first is find the value of discriminant. Second sum, we have to find the value of discriminant, means del, and del equal to b square minus 4ac. We have to find this thing. So first is given x square plus 7x minus 1 equal to 0. It is given x square plus 7x minus 1 equal to 0. So student, we have to find b square minus 4ac only, discriminant. So we can compare solution. So we can compare with, because we require a, b, c. Yes, correct. So compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So what is the value of a, student? Yes, correct. A is 1, b is 7, and c is minus 1. Now we have to find the value of discriminant, means b square minus 4ac. So del equal to b square minus 4ac. What is the value of b here? 7. So 7 square minus 4a. A is given 1. So 1, and c is given minus 1. So 7 square is 49. 7 7 is 49. Minus into minus become plus. 4 1 is 4. So 49 plus 4 is 53. So what is the answer? Del equal to 53. So very simple. First step, you have to find the value of a, b, c by comparing the equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Next, we have to find b square minus 4ac, that is b. What is the value of b? 7. 7 square minus 4a. A is 1 and c is minus 1. So minus 7 square is 49. Minus into minus. So minus into minus become plus. 4 1 is 4. So 49 plus 4 is 53. So what is the value of discriminant? 53. Similarly, student, we can solve the second one. It is given 2y square minus 5y plus 10 equal to 0. It is given. So this one is also very simple. We can solve. Again the same method. We have to compare with, it is given y form. So ay square plus by plus c equal to 0. Also you can write ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. But student, it is given not x form, it is given in y. So we can write ay square plus by plus c equal to 0. So what is the value of a? A is here 2, b is minus 5, and c is 10. C is 10. So we can solve this sum by very simple method. Again with the value of ABC, Then what is the next step? We have to find the value of del, means b square minus 4ac. So what is the value of b? B is given here minus 5. So minus 5 square minus 4a. So what is the value of a? Yes, correct, 2, and c is 10. So whenever you square any minus thing, become plus, because minus into minus become plus. 5 square is 25 minus 4 2 ja 8. 8 into 10 become 80. So b square minus 4ac. B is given minus 5 means 25. 4a and c is 10. 4 2 ja 8. 8 into 10 is 80. So we can minus 80 minus 25. It become 55. But sign is minus. So this is your second one. We can solve by same method. Very simple one. Now we can proceed the next sum. Again the same method. Next sum is given, student, root 2x square and many students having the problem in root part. So it is also very simple. Just see the method. 4x plus 2 root 2 equal to 0. Again, student, it is given quadratic equation. Now we have to find the value of b square minus 4ac. Again, we can compare with same thing. So compare with again ax square. Compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So what is the value of a here? A is given here root 2, b is given 4, and c is 2 root 2. First step done. Now next step, you have to find the value of del, means b square minus 4ac. You have to find b square minus 4ac. So b is given here 4. So 4 square minus 4a. A is given root 2 and c is given 2 root 2. Very simple one. So 4 square. So 4 square, 4 into 4 is 16 minus 4 2 ja 8 and root 2 into root 2. So whenever you multiply root 2 into root 2, root 2 into root 2, so it become root 2 square and it become cancel. So answer is 2. So whenever you multiply the root 3 into root 3 become 3, root 4 into root 4 become 4. So 4 into 2 is 8, root 2 into root 2, that is 2. So 16 minus 16 become 0. So again this one is also very simple. So if you know the method, we can solve same way, and that is sum number 3 from practice set 2.5. So this is also very simple. You have to just follow the steps, you will get answer. Now student, next is very important. In this part method is same. Again we have to find the value of the method, everything is same. But in this part the one additional thing is that we have to decide the nature of the roots. So again 3 condition. If del equal to 0, that time nature of roots will be real and equal. If del is greater than 0 means positive, that time we can write real and unequal, and less than 0 means in negative, that time we can write the roots are not real. So 3 condition we have to follow sum number 3, but methods are same. So let's start. So third sum is given, determine the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation. So we have to decide nature of the roots. So let's start with the first sum. So 3 things you have to remember. If del is 0, so we can write roots are real and equal. First thing. Second, if del is greater than 0, that time we can write roots are real and unequal. And third, del is less than 0. Yes, correct. The roots are not real. Roots are not real. So depending upon this, we can solve the first sum. It is given x square minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. So student, method is same. Again we have to find the value of a, b, c, then discriminate, and last part we have to decide depending upon three conditions. So it is given that x square minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. So we can compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Yes. So what is the value of a, b and c? So ये हम लोग ने बहुत बार सॉल्व कर चुके हैं. So easily you can determine. So what is the value of a here? So 1. Yes, correct. B is minus 4 and c is 4. The next part is we have to find the discriminant, and that time we can decide the nature of the roots. So discriminant means del equal to b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac. So what is the value of b here? Minus 4. So minus 4 square, minus 4, a is 1 and c is 4. So 4 square is 16, minus become always plus. 4 1 ja 4, 4 4 ja 16. So 16 minus 16 becomes 0. So del equal to 0. Now student, just see the condition. If del r means if the value of del equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. So now you can see here del is 0. So we can write the roots are real and unequal. So real and equal because del is 0. So we can write simple way, roots are real and equal. So the given quadratic equation having roots are real and equal. This way also you can write the given quadratic equation having roots are real and equal. So simple method you have to follow in the sum number 1. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take. Then we can proceed next sum. Yes. Next one is given student 2y square minus 7y plus 2 equal to 0. Yes, correct. So now we have to find again the value of a, b, c. So solution, compare with, it is given y, so we can write here ay square plus by plus c equal to 0. So the value of a equal to 2, b equal to minus 7 and c equal to 2. So ABC is done. Next part is we have to find the value of discriminant, means del. So del equal to, yes, correct, formula is b square minus 4ac. So what is the value of b here, student? That is minus 7. So minus 7 square minus 4a. A is 2 and c is also 2. C is 2 here. So 7 square, that is 49, minus become plus 49, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So 49 minus 16. 9 minus 6 is 3 and 4 minus 1 is 3. So 33. So del equal to 33. So now you can see if the del is greater than 0, so always positive, then roots are real and unequal. So now you can see here del is greater than 0 means positive, means 33. So we can write the given quadratic equation having roots are real and unequal. Yes. real and untrue. So this is very important. Simple method. You have to follow the steps and you will get answer. That's correct. Similarly, student, we can solve the last sum. Means in decide the whether the roots of the equation. The third one is m square plus 2m plus 9 equal to 0. Again, we have to follow the same method. We have to first find ABC. So we have to compare with it is given m form. So we can write am square plus bm plus c equal to 0. Also you can write ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, no problem. But it is given m, so you can write am square plus bm plus c equal to 0. Yes, correct. Now what is the value of a here? So a is here 1, b is 2 and c is 9. A is 1, b is 2 and c is 9. So we have the value of ABC. Next we have to find the del, means b square minus 4ac b square. So discriminate b square minus 4ac. B is given 2, so 2 square minus 4a is given 1 and c is given 9. So now we can solve. 2 square is 4 minus 4 1s are 4 and 4 9s are 36. So the value is minus is greater, so 36 minus 4 is 32, but sign is minus. So del is minus 32. Now students, just see the third condition. If del is less than 0, less than 0 means in negative. Now you can see the answer also in negative. So that time we can write roots are not real. So the given quadratic equation having roots are not real. So the roots are not real. So this way we can solve sum number 3 from practice set 2.5. So very simple. We have to follow the steps. Now next part. Yes, this one is also very important. Sum number 4. Sum number 4 is, student, we have to form the quadratic equation from the roots given below. Means roots are given and we have to form the quadratic equation. So remember that. Just see the again introduction part. X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta equal to 0. So by using this formula we can form any quadratic equation if roots are given. So roots are means alpha and beta. So first is your alpha and second root is your beta. So first sum is given. It is given, sum number 4. Roots are 0 and 4. 0 and 4. So that time we can understand the roots become is first one is your alpha. Alpha is 0, first roots, and second root is beta. So beta is 4. That's correct. Now student, we have to find, we have to form quadratic equation, but we require alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. So alpha and beta is given, so we can solve. Their sum is alpha plus beta equal to. So alpha is given 0 and beta is given 4. So 0 plus 4 is 4 only. So alpha plus beta answer is 4. Similarly, next part we can find alpha into beta because we require alpha into beta also. Their product alpha into beta. So alpha is given 0 and beta is given 4. So 0 into 4 is only 0. So alpha into beta is 0. Now, so we have the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Now we can form the quadratic equation. So given quadratic equation are x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta equal to 0. Now student, we have the value of alpha plus beta as well as alpha into beta. So in this equation we can put the value. So x square minus alpha plus beta is given 4 into x plus alpha into beta. So what is the value of alpha into beta? Yes, correct. Answer is here 0 equal to 0. So x square minus 4x plus 0 equal to 0. So this is the first one is quadratic equation with alpha into beta. Next, sum you can solve at your home. The sum number 2 and 3, and in next class we can solve the whole sum of practice set 2.5, and this one is very important. So इसका practice करो. See you in next class. So thank you so much.